In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font in Descript for both regular text and captions so your project looks polished and consistent. Start by opening your project in Descript. If you want to change the font for titles, subtitles, or any static text, first select the text layer you want to edit. You can either click an existing text element in your scene or add a new one from the Elements panel. Once the text layer is selected, look to the Properties panel on the side of the screen. Here you will find the Font option. Open the Font menu and browse through the available fonts. Click on the font you like and it will instantly apply to your selected text. Now, if you want to change the font for captions generated from your transcript, select the Captions layer in your scene or timeline. With the Captions layer selected, head back to the Properties panel. In the same font menu, choose a new font style for your captions. Make sure to pick a font that is clear and easy to read since captions are important for accessibility and viewer comfort. Preview your video to see how the new font looks and adjust if needed. That's it. You've successfully changed the font in Descript and can now customize your text to better match your brand or style. Thanks for watching and happy editing.